Okay, my check. Okay, I think we're online. All right. So let me first share the. So yeah, if you need the additional or professional financial advisor, yeah, do seek out the professional advisors. Financial advisors that you have, and yep. So the content wise is pretty much stay the same review of last week what has happened in mainly the forex market, and then secondly the calendar checks, and then third of all will be the plan for the coming week. Okay, so that will be all. Well, yep. Let me just go on to the. Okay, so this is on the Forex Factory calendar. So yeah, I think it has been very fast moving. I mean, in terms of the days, yeah, it's already almost end of February for this year 2024. So I think it was like just a few weeks ago we were just like celebrating New Year, Chinese New Year for the Chinese, and yeah, so it has been very fast. And yeah, next week it will be okay. Not the next week exactly, but the week after it will be non-farm pay, non-farm pay again. Okay, so yeah, things will get interesting and exciting again. Okay, so for the next week starting from 26th Feb all the way to the 1st of March. Okay, so you see it's already March. Okay, last week of February. Okay, so in terms of the news wise, yeah, I think in terms of news there are actually more news coming out from the US side. Yeah, especially after Tuesday itself. Tuesday, then you have Wednesday as well. Then Thursday, some of the key or high impact news, which are in red color. Okay, so those are the one, and then also I think Chinese side there's also a PMI index that's releasing from the Chinese side on Friday itself. Okay, so that is pretty much. And for those that trade New Zealand dollar, it could be of interest for you to be mindful on Wednesday when it releases its cash rate and all that. Okay, so yep, that is all about the news. Then yeah, let's move on to the forex chart. Okay, so forex chart, likewise, just like previously, what I've done and all that. So yeah, this was the 1 hour US dollar. Okay, so US dollar basically, last Friday and last Sunday I was actually um talking about this, and then I think you can also see on the 1 hourly what I've actually mentioned about this head and shoulder. If it were to break, then yeah, most likely it could be getting a bit bearish for the US dollar. Okay, so US dollar on the higher time frame, if you were to look at the daily or daily or the 4 hourly, it doesn't look that nice in terms of trend line has been broken. And then also as for the 4 hourly, that this trend line, right, it has already been broken. So yeah, if you were to see, this is actually kind of like a double top, or let's say like a head and shoulder over here, which has already broke down, and right now is finding some support over here. So if let's say next week it isn't able to get hold of this area, right, this area which is over here, maybe I change another maybe blue in color. Okay, so if here over here, right, this you can call that inverted head and shoulder, it doesn't give a boost for the US dollar to hit back up, right. it didn't, like, let's say, yeah. And I mean, for now, I think the buyers would be more of on the downside. You can actually check the yeah, the training idea that I have, and I posted some on this trading view. Okay, so basically you can check it out, and then yeah, maybe just a review back. I mean, I was mentioning about this. It's breaking down. So yeah, for the next week, if let's say it could make a higher high over here, then pull back, then maybe we can look for a long. But then if let's say it's just continue to be more bearish, yeah, likely it will be going down in that direction. Okay, going downwards. So yeah, we do see quite a strong rejection over here, but let's see what actually how it actually play out after this, after next week. Okay, so yeah, but more or less this is quite a number of sign of it turning downwards already. Okay, so that's for the USD, and then I think let's review some of the things that I mentioned about last week. Yeah, last week about USD, I was still quite a little bit more biased on the upside, but after over the week, right, you can see that things actually changes. So yeah, that's where you also need to be more flexible and stuff like that. So yeah, this was the break, and then yeah, this second leg actually is the one that um, telling you that the USD is really, it seems like it's getting weaker and weaker. So that was the second confirmation. So this was the first, and then I thought it could be holding here, but yeah, it didn't. So yeah, it just broke down, and then yeah, followed by this strong reversal back up. Okay, so that's on USD. And last week I think I mentioned about Aussies New Zealand as well. Okay, so Aussies New Zealand over here, yeah, this was just that line I was draw that I drew, and then on the lower time frame, this is on the 1 hourly. Previously, that was on the 4 hourly. Okay, so 4 hourly, this was the, yeah, this was, I mean, the trend is basically a downtrend, but also just do take note that on the daily, that could be a key level that you're looking at. So probably right now it isn't the best option for you to go on short, unless maybe it just go down lower to this level. But yeah, this could be a key supply demand zone over here. Okay, so yeah, and also next week you do have the New Zealand dollar interest rate news, which is on Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. So yeah, things might change, and then yeah, but anyway, what I wanted to mention is that for last week, yeah, it has went down. So I think I was able to get a pullback over here, but after that, yeah, after this that trade, and nothing really come. Uh, yeah, nothing much to actually trade on this. The pullback wasn't too to my expectations. Okay, or rather to my setup. So yeah, that's that. Aussies New Zealand after Tuesday, nothing much over there. But of course, it's still continuing to go down, which is good in terms of that. Then yeah, I do also mention about Euro Aussies. Then yeah, this was a pair that mm, not it is just moving nowhere for almost the whole week, I would say. Yeah, so you see since Monday, which was on the 19th, and then it is moving up and down, up and down on the 4 hourly. I mean, yeah, if you look at the 1 hourly, is yeah, you will, if you wanted to go on long, I think yeah, maybe you need to wait for the yeah, yeah, wait for the pullback, and there isn't too much of a room for you to play, and it just reverses. This type of yeah, what you call that, more exceptional move compared to the rest, where the rest is more like yeah, up and down, up and down. This is just one straight move upwards. I can't remember what is it due to. Maybe was the European news or something. Yeah, there was a number of these European news on one of the days last week. Okay, so yeah, this wasn't something that I like, and then I think I didn't trade on it for the Euro Aussies. Okay, so that is for that, and then for the dollar yen. So dollar yen is it is on a nice uptrend, but then for last week it has been quite in the consolidation as well. This was one of the pair that I mentioned. Yeah, nevertheless, I do think it is on the so-called the right side of the V. So yeah, I think we could be seeing more upside coming from the dollar yen. Yeah, um, so on the back of that, it's either USD is not that weak, and then yen is super weak. So yeah, the dollar yen will be moving up. If the US dollar is very weak, yen is very weak, more most likely it will still go on consolidation as well. Okay, so yeah, likely, yeah, if I can see some pullback over here, yeah, could be sign for me to go along, because yeah, you are on sort of the right side, unless it is still, yeah, consolidating in this range, then yeah, probably it would be that much of a much of the peak for you to get from here. But so far, yeah, it should be going up on the basis of the price action. We Yeah. Okay, so that is for the dollar yen. Then for this week, I think I'm also covering the uh maybe a bit on Euro USD, although it's similar to what you do see on the USD, except it's just the flip side of the USD. Yeah. Okay. So something like this. Okay. Anyway, this is on the Euro USD, and then you can see it has actually broke out of the trend line over here. Okay. Maybe it's too many of the line. Yeah. This one maybe it's not that. It's a longer term. Okay. So yeah, for me, I will just keep a lookout for the. If on the daily time frame, then maybe the past 2 to 3 months. Then for the 4 hourly, likely it will be just within the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, things like that. Okay, so anyway, yeah, it has actually broke out from the down trend channel, as you can see over here. Then most likely it is still trading within this range. This Okay, this new breakout range that it is trading on. Okay, so over here you do have a bottom, and then over here you have the breakout from that level. Okay, so from this level, okay, the breakout and then pull back, breakout again, and right now it's pulling back, consolidating on Friday itself. And I think I did take a long over here for the Euro Aussies and also the Pound Aussies. Yep. Then the Euro Aussies didn't move up that much. So yeah, it is consolidated. So maybe it'll move on Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure. Or maybe yeah, it will have a deeper pullback and all that. So yeah, likewise in the what's that, USD, right? It is the same same pattern you see. So if let's say this is a head and shoulder that is forming and then it broke down, then yeah, likely we might see a continuation of this Euro USD to go downwards. So maybe this could be a fake breakout from this channel. Okay, so yeah, nobody knows what will be happening, but yeah, just let's see. But yeah, for me to be bearish, it need to form a lower low. Then after which, yeah, maybe the pullback you can wait for the pullback to go on short. Okay, so that's on the Euro USD. Okay, then some other pair that I want to also mention would be oh, okay, I think that's all already. Maybe just the last one on Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. Okay, so Euro New Zealand dollar. This is just something that you can keep it in your watch list, like Euro New Zealand, or let's say maybe not this one, yeah, but more on the Euro New Zealand. Okay, so Euro New Zealand, you can see it is pretty much near to the key levels right here. Okay, so maybe the drop is going to taper off already. Yeah, so going down to the lower time frame, I mean this is not something I would like to trade, but yeah, just wait for this this what you call that, triangle to actually play out. Okay, so or this basically the consolidation for it to play out. Then yeah, I mean, of course the bias is still like, okay, it is still going to go down. A break should be for you to go on short, but considering this is on the 1 hourly, let's say, you know, I mean even on the 4 hourly you can see the leg. I mean how many down leg, one leg, two leg, the third leg, the fourth. Yeah, it's at least three to four leg down already. So it could also continue to go down, but just that, yeah, just take note that it's very near to the key level on the higher time frame, and yeah, likely it could be rebounding upwards. Okay, so that's so much I want to share this week, and all the best for your trading. And if you do find that this information that I share or the analysis that I share are useful, yeah, you can follow me on my trading view, and also on my WhatsApp group that I do have a group of traders who actually help out each other on in terms of giving some trading insights as well. Okay, so yeah, see you all next week. Bye bye.